Welcome to TrendyLand. It's incredible, this equipment greatly facilitates his work. She is very proud of her mobile shower made of wood. It's very useful. We wouldn't love sleeping in this cottage. The view is breathtaking. Here is how to put two different colored boards together. The final rendering is really successful. This guy is building his wooden motorbike with a motor. Share. I let you enjoy this wooden sculpture. I take my hat off to whoever made it. This table has a really atypical style. These sliding doors are beautiful. I would like to have some in my house. I hope you liked this video. See you soon on TrendyLand.